I think one of the main thing it showed is the good grade profile that we're seeing across the prospect. The drilling's now completed there, so the geologists have had a good chance to start pulling together more of their thoughts around it. But there's very much a consistency around that grade, which is always good. Plus, there's a high grade component to it as well, which always makes it much easier when you're moving forward to an MRE sort of position. So happy with the grade profile. The stacked mineralised loads that we're seeing are consistent section to section, which makes the modelling, of course, that much easier. So that's been really, really positive. The prospect remains open at depth. A lot of this drilling was really aimed to bottom out, if you like it, around the 250 metres drilling, so sort of 200 metres vertically, and it's certainly achieved that. And it's open to the north as well. So we're happy with how the whole mineralised system is looking. And one of the particularly positive things has been there's very much a high grade shoot on the western side. It's still a sub-vertical oriented ore body, but within it there's a southerly plunge to a very much a high grade component to it. And we've got results in this high grade shoot, which is almost like a cigar shape. 15.521, 15 at 2.02, 13 at 1.85, section to section. So that's been really, really positive as well, with that good continuity and the proximity now on certainly the western side of the Clement prospect to what we're seeing at Crusader Templar. So we're getting very, very close to that prospect as well. I think it positions us really, really well. The drill results has performed, in grade and in orientation and mineralisation style and location as what we'd modelled. The geos here, the hard work they've been putting in is certainly shown in this part of the program. So grade profile is great, mineralised loads are consistent, that looks really good. Plus there's this high grade shoot, which I spoke about earlier there, which certainly make a big difference in regards optimising pit shells and as part of the MRE process. So good work all around with the team. Yeah, the program's been progressing really, really well, on schedule and on budget. So we're very, very happy with that. There's about 18,000 metres now being completed as part of this MRE program across Clement. Panes and branches have now been completed, the drilling there. The rig has just finished at the Templar component of the Crusader Templar part of the program, and now it's moving to the southeast, looking for these Crusader extensions, which really, and that'll then start bringing in almost the Clement work which we've spoken about above. Crusader south and southeast is very much starting to coalesce into what we're seeing at Clement. So very interesting how this drilling sort of starts to bring those two prospects together in the south. Drilling's on track to complete in around mid-July, with MRE due now this quarter, seeing it was the 1st of July, so we are in the September quarter, and it's all on track to complete this quarter, so very happy with the progress.